Sweating is often related with the loss of weight because people nowadays would go and use their winter clothes to exercise to force the body to sweat even more. And with the rising of indoor exercise like indoor cycling and hot yoga, it's obvious that people think more sweat equals weight loss. This mindset is anything but wrong. However, it is not entirely true either. So, it is important to understand what sweat is measuring and what it is not. Hey there, healthy folks! Welcome to the Healthy Universe. In today's video, we are going to give you the answer on one of the most frequently asked questions in the fitness world. Does sweating equals weight loss? Time to find out. Now, first of all, what is sweating? Sweating is the body's natural ways of regulating body temperature. It does this by releasing water and salt, which evaporates to help you cool down. And yes, you haven't misheard anything. There are no fat burning or calorie reduction in the definition of sweating. Larger people tend to sweat more because they have a greater amount of body mass to cool down. Fitter people, however, also tend to sweat more, but this is because their cooling system is especially efficient, giving them the ability to work harder for longer. So what's the deal between sweating and weight loss? We can't deny the truth that sweating actually have a direct impact on your weight, but don't get excited just yet. When you measure your weight after a sweaty exercise, you might notice that it goes down quite a bit, which makes you even more convinced that excessive sweat means weight loss. Well, this happens because when you sweat in the short term, you are probably losing water weight rather than fat. When you perspire, your body predominantly sweats out water through your pores to cool you down and maintain your core temperature. As water is weighty, it is normal to notice the number on the scale is sinking after a hot and sweaty workout session. And this isn't only happening when you are indoor cycling or jog under the heat of the sun with your winter clothes on. This could happen anytime your body feels hot, precisely at 98.7 Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Those 0.7 ounces that you lost after a sweaty workout, yeah, they are going back as soon as you get back to your regular routine. For instance, if you drink water or just simply eat, those water weight loss will go back at an instant. So, does sweating means you are burning fat? We are just going to cut the chase here for you folks, that your fat doesn't melt down and going out to your pores with your sweat. Fat is actually get released from fat cells to provide your body with energy. Your body breaks down the fat into its parts, fatty acids and glycerol, which are then metabolized. The more energy you need, the more your body pulls from your fat cells. This means you can and will only burn fat when there is a calorie deficit on your body, or your activities needs more calorie than your calorie intake. So it actually doesn't matter whether you are sweating or not. As long as you are exercising, for instance lifting weight or running on a treadmill, you will use your calorie and you will lose your fat if your calorie intake is smaller than the outtake, and not bathing in the sun or doing sauna for 12 hours straight, because that would not do any fat burning in your body. It might even be dangerous. Yes, we did say it can be dangerous. So what is the danger behind excessive sweat? Number 1, dehydration. If you are sweating, you are more likely to get dehydrated. Hot or humid weather increases the amount of sweat. For every pound of sweat you lose, be sure to drink a pint of water. Don't wait until you get thirsty or start hydrating. Instead, take a water bottle with you and drink regularly throughout your workouts. It is because severe dehydration can be dangerous. Number 2, hyperhidrosis. If you regularly sweat excessively, you may have a condition called hyperhidrosis. See your doctor if sweating disrupts your daily routine. Also, check in with your doctor if you get night sweats for no known reasons, or you are suddenly sweating excessively. Now you know that sweating doesn't always translate to weight loss. So what does it translate for? It translates for healthier skin and challenging your fitness level. If you sweat because of exercising, You will increase your blood flow through your body, thus allowing oxygen and nutrients to circulate and nourish skin cells. And if you are breaking a sweat while exercising, you are probably doing workouts that are appropriately challenging your fitness level.